Discover your luxury retreat and perfect escape. High Point Land Company is proud to offer this 44.6, more or less acre property in Maiden Rock, Wisconsin. Just a short drive from Ellsworth, this custom-built home gives you 3,135 square feet of comfortable living. With high ceilings, warm heated floors, and great views of endless timber and open fields. The property has been meticulously managed for those who love the outdoors. Located just a mile from Vino in the valley, it offers year-round activities. You can enjoy hunting, fishing on the Rush River, hiking scenic trails, or simply relaxing among plenty of wildlife. Outside, enjoy a garden shed that doubles as a chicken coop and utilize the established gardens. If you're looking for one-of-a-kind property with unmatched beauty, privacy, and recreation, don't miss out on this opportunity. Call Wisconsin Land Specialist Trevor Glomsky at 651-380-0821 today to schedule your private tour.